Good morning, students. So we have seen the basics about the triangle and the types of triangle. Now we'll see congruency of triangles. Now what do you mean by the term congruency? Congruency has came from the word congruent. Now this word is used to compare. So if I take two objects, two shapes which have the same shape and size. So any two figures which have the same shape and size, then those two figures are called as congruent figures. Let us draw suppose two circles. This is one circle and this is one circle. Suppose the radius of this circle is 2 centimeter. This is also 2 centimeter. So you can see these two circles have the same shape as because both are circles, and the size is also same as because the radius is 2. So these two circles we can call as congruent figures. So remember, congruent means when two shapes or two figures have the same shape and size, then we call as the congruent. So in this chapter we will see congruency of triangles. We will see two triangles which have the same shape and size, and how we can call them as congruent. So here we will compare triangles, okay? Not like the circles, only triangles will be compared. Now criteria for congruency. There are some rules by which we can say any two triangles are congruent or not. Means any two triangles have the same shape and size, we can only tell by the help of some rules, some criteria. So the criteria are, the first one is triple S. I will deal in details, okay? Triple S, ASA, SAS, triple A, and lastly is RHS. This criteria or rule we basically call in triangles as postulates. Okay, these all are postulates. So how to check whether two triangles are of same shape and size? We can check by these 5 rules. First one is SSS, second one is ASA, third one is SAS, fourth is AAA, and the last one is RHS. Now SSS, remember here we mean SS side, A we mean as angle. Here R means right, H means hypotenuse. So these are the 5 postulates by which we can check whether two triangles are of same shape and size or not. That means we can check the congruency. Let us deal in details. What is the first one? Triple S. So triple S means side, side, side. We can write like this: side, side, and side. Now let us draw two triangles. This is triangle number 1 and this is triangle number 2. Okay? I have to check whether these two triangles are congruent or not. This is triangle number 1, triangle number 2. Now SSS means all the sides. Suppose in the first triangle this side is 2 centimeter, this is 3 centimeter, this is floor. Similarly, in the other triangle, suppose this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. Now, you see here, in this triangle, this is the side whose measure is 2. Now, corresponding to this side is this side. That means see same direction. Have you seen? This is 2 centimeter corresponding to the same side. Here in the other triangle, here also we have 2 centimeter. Both the values are same. Similarly, corresponding to this 3 is this 3. Now you can see both sides are equal. This 4 and this 4. That means this side and this side of both the two triangles are also same. So if we have two triangles in which corresponding sides are equal, corresponding all the sides, as because see side. So this is the first side, this is the second, and this side is the third. So if this satisfies, then we can tell triangle 1 and triangle 2 are congruent, means they are same shape and size. By which rule? S. I will repeat once more. In this triangle, this side is 2 centimeter. In the other triangle, same direction, this is also 2. Both are same. See the base, here we have 3, here also we have 3. Now this leftover side, this is 4, this is also 4. If the condition is like this, where all the corresponding, see these two are called corresponding, okay? If the corresponding sides, all sides of the triangle are equal, then we call as congruent by S. So this is triple S. Okay, let's go to first triple A. Triple A is also same. Here we have seen the sides, here we will see the angles. Suppose this angle is 20 degree, this is also 20. Suppose this angle is 30, this angle also 30. Suppose this angle is 70, this angle also 70. Now see here, this angle is 70, corresponding to this angle in the other triangle it is also 70. Here we have 20, corresponding also 20. Here we have 30, corresponding angle of the other triangle is also 30. So all, see, this angle is equal, this is also equal, and this is also equal. So we can tell that these two triangles are congruent by which postulate? Triple A. So triple A and triple S both are nearly same. Here we are comparing the size, here we are comparing the angles. Next we will see the remaining three.